Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add doppelganger effect to your video on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to add doppelganger effect to this video. If we want to add doppelganger effect, we have to go to the effects menu right here, and then we're going to go to the body effect. In this body effect, you have to search for doppelganger effect. Like this, just type in the doppelganger, and then the doppelganger effect will appear and you're going to add it to your video. Okay, and now the effect has been added and you will be able to customize the effect right here. You can customize the twist, the strength, and also the amount, and rotate as well, and the speed. Okay, you can customize it according to your needs. And guys, that's all the way to add doppelganger effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.